Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a specialized touchscreen clean mode I've developed. This is an add-on designed for the HMI units we use on Sinumerik CNCs, though it's versatile enough for almost any industrial touchscreen application. The core concept. So, what's the goal here? We want to give operators a safe way to clean the screen without triggering accidental commands. You can trigger this directly from the desktop or via a dedicated soft key on the Sinumerik Operate interface. Once activated, it displays a clear overlay with a countdown, start time, and elapsed time. Technical features. This overlay stays on top of all active windows, but remains click-through. This means your remote mouse and keyboard still have full control over your applications while the physical touchscreen is temporarily locked. It's designed to automatically re-enable the touch interface after 60 seconds. Safety and integration. The best part? There are no invasive driver hacks involved. It works regardless of your monitor setup, and it's fully reversible. Let's take a look at how it functions in a real-world scenario. Demonstration and logic. The system uses two simple commands, clean mode on and clean mode off. These are triggered by PowerShell scripts and CMD files. You can see here if I double-click the command, the sequence begins. This can be easily mapped to any HMI button or soft key. Operator workflow. Imagine you're running the Sinumerik Operate software. The operator hits the clean button and immediately gets a 60-second window to wipe down the unit. Once that minute is up, the touchscreen functionality restores itself automatically, ensuring zero downtime and maximum safety. Conclusion. I'll be sharing these scripts and the full procedure in the description below. It's a simple, robust solution for maintaining your hardware. Thanks for watching.